Samsung plans to announce the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and Galaxy Watch 8 during the Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9. The Z Fold 7 with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, SMF966B, is the most powerful fold ever, providing maximum performance, insane multitasking, and a future-proof experience. The device is changing the foldable game with its Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy CPU, lighter and smaller design, and increased endurance. The Z Fold 7 will include a 4,272 mAh battery capable of providing roughly 40.5 hours of use, IP48 dust and water protection, and user-replaceable batteries. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series has seen sales rise to 16.61 million devices by the end of May 2025, thanks to the special Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor clocked at 4.47 GHz. The bespoke processor outsold the whole worldwide batch of the conventional Snapdragon 8 Elite, highlighting Samsung's dominance. The event is intended to be a watershed moment, with the Fold 7 stealing the show, aiming to set the new standard for foldables by 2025. The Z Flip 7 is rumored to be slimmer, smarter, and have larger displays, while the Galaxy Watch 8 series will include a new design and clever AI-powered health features. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents a huge leap in the foldable smartphone industry, revolutionizing the notion of a foldable phone. Its thinner bezels, sleeker form, and high-end components make it similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The device's elegant design and larger outer screen create a sense of familiarity while yet being futuristic. As we approach Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked presentation on July 9, more information regarding the Z Fold 7's battery life, durability, and repairability is becoming available. The European Energy Label, which is required for phones sold in Europe, offers an accurate representation of the Z Fold 7's real-world performance. The device has a battery life of 40 hours and 28 minutes on a single charge, and a rating for drop resistance, and an IP48 rating for dust and water protection. However, the repairability rating is C, which is appropriate for a foldable device with a complicated folding mechanism. The Energy Label also shows a B rating for energy efficiency. The Z Fold 7 is projected to offer an impressive blend of cutting-edge design, long-lasting battery life, and daily ruggedness. Samsung is releasing 5 distinct covers for the Fold 7, each customized to a certain design, protective requirement, and grip comfort. The silicone cover comes in black, blue, gray, and light green, while the clear case is simple, lightweight, and lets the phone's colors show through. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.